Basic English Grammar, Part 3.
Adjective plus noun. It means before a noun you can add an adjective, or after an adjective you can add a noun. This is the meaning of that. Can you give me an example of adjective plus noun? Brave soldier, yes. Brave is adjective, soldier is a noun, right? Then what man? Honest man. Okay, honest man. Friendly match. Friendly match. All these things. Okay, you can add any adjective with any noun if it's meaningful. Okay, fine. You know this combination of adjective and noun. What's the part of speech of fast? Fast. Is it a noun or verb? Adjective or adverb? If you can add a noun after this word, then this is an adjective, right? You can add food. So fast food. You can add this. Is it a noun or not? Yes, it is. Fast is an adjective because you can add it in front of the noun food. So fast food. Is that okay? Right. Then verb plus adverb. So write it here. Can you add a verb here? Run. Run is a verb. You can add it here. So run fast. Is it okay? Sentence right or wrong? Right. Fastly. Fastly. So if I add this ly, then now is it okay? Now wrong. No, say something. Now it is wrong. So which is right then? Run fast is right. So some of you say that this is right. Some of you say this is right. Fastly is not a word at all. There's no word such as fastly in English. So this is the only word available. So which is right? Run fast is right. And now what's the part of speech of this word? Adverb. Because it comes before a noun, here it is an adjective, but here it is an adverb because it comes after a verb. Can I say fast run? No. Why no? Adverb? Adverb won't come before the verb. But did I say that it is an adverb? No. I just gave you two words, that is fast plus run. When you use it as a verb, what's the meaning of run? If you change it to a noun, what's the meaning? Autumn. So the meaning of run is autumn when it is used as a noun. Now, can you agree with that? Fast run. What's the meaning? Vegamana plus autumn. Vegamana autumn. So fast run is also possible. Is that clear? So when I say fast run, it is adjective plus noun. When I say run fast, it's verb plus adverb. Nalla thungu or nandraga thungu. In all, is it a verb phrase or a noun phrase? It's a verb phrase. Is it used for ordering? Yes. Okay, so it is a verb phrase. And so, when I say nalla thungu or nandraga thungu, what's the translation? The formula is the second one. So you should use verb plus adverb. What's the verb? Thungu. Thungu is the verb. So that comes first. Then adverb is nandraga, well. Now sleep well. If you say sleep well, the first word is a verb, the second one is adverb. So verb plus adverb, sleep plus well, sleep well. Nandraga thungu. Nalla means nandraga, nalla means good. Nalla. So, what's the translation for Nalla Thookam? Nalla is an adjective. Good. Sleep. Good means Nalla. Sleep means Thookam here. So, for Nalla Thookam, you use adjective plus noun, that is good sleep. For நன்றாக தூங்கு or நல்லா தூங்கு, what you say is verb plus adverb, that is sleep well. So now what's the difference between good and well? Good is adjective, well is adverb. Though they mean the same, one is an adjective, the other one is an adverb. That's why we can't interchange them. For example, can you say well sleep? Well sleep? No. Can you say sleep good? No. That's because an adjective is different from an adverb. Where do you use an adjective? We use adjective before a noun. That's right. Okay. Anything else? Well performed plus a noun. That's right. Then it becomes an adjective phrase. We call it an adjective. Again it becomes an adjective. Well is an adverb, but when you add performed with that, both together become an adjective. That's why you can add another noun after that. Okay, my question is, can an adjective come after noun? No, but generally no, but there are some exceptions. I'll just give you an example, simple example. That is, if I say I am from Tirupur proper. Okay, if I say I am from Tirupur proper, do you understand what it means? Oh, okay. It means I am right from Tirupur, not from somewhere around Tirupur. I am right in Tirupur itself. Okay, for that we say I am from Tirupur proper. But here we shouldn't say I am from proper Tirupur. So proper Tirupur is different and Tirupur proper is different. Though it is an adjective, you can use it, but it is a special case. Okay, like Tirupur proper. The other one is president-elect. We don't say elect president. Instead, we say president-elect. So their adjective is used after a noun, but they are exceptions.